everyone. We are going to talk about e-waste. Smartphone and computer are very important part of our lives. We cannot live without them, but when we throw them away after use, they become e-waste. Any electronic device like a TV or microwave can become e-waste. They are make life more convenient.
This is becoming a serious threat to our environment. Why is e-waste a problem, and how can we solve this problem?
But once they go into landfills, they create serious problems. That's because electronic devices contain heavy metals. As they break down, they release toxic chemicals. Those chemicals are soil and water.
They make the animal and plants sick and can even kill them. This problem may not seem to affect you, but those harmful chemicals eventually get into our body and make you sick too. How we eat those sick fish, plants, and animals, so we should all do something about this problem.
One solution to this is e-cycle. E-cycle means recycle electronic. There are simple things we can do. E-cycle for one, we can do e-cycle for our older electronic. Repair instead of buying new ones. Another things we can do to make them to drop off collection center.
They reuse them by fixing and reselling them to others. They also take them apart and collect the useful parts. Those parts are used to make other electronic products. We should all take part in recycling and try to make change little by little. Thank you for watching our video.
Plastic pollution. My name is Kim Tae-hoon. Plastic products make our life easier. However, they can cause great damage to the environment. Our careless action creates plastic pollution. We use it almost everywhere. Next, we use many plastic items only once, and constantly throw them away. Also, we often do not recycle plastic in paper. However, plastic does not break down easily. Even worse, plastic breaks down into very small particles. They move from sea animal to human body. People can get sick and even die. In addition, harmful chemicals from plastic damage the environment. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Together we can solve the e-waste problem. Smartphones and computers are very important part of our life. We cannot live without them. But when we throw them away after use, they become e-waste. This is becoming a serious threat to our environment. Why is e-waste a problem, and how can we solve this problem?
Any electronic devices like a TV, microwave can become e-waste. They are make life more chemicals, but once they go into landfills, they create serious problems. That's because our electronic devices contain heavy metals as they break down chemicals. These chemicals enter our soil and water. They make the animals sick and plants sick and can even kill them. This problem may not seem to affect us, but those harmful chemicals even get into our bodies, make us sick too. How? We eat sick animals, so we should all do something about this problem.
They reduce them by fixing and reselling them to others. They also take the parts and collect the useful parts. Those parts are used make other electronic products. We should all take part in recycling and try to make change little by little.
They reuse them by fixing and reselling them to others. They also make them apart and collect the used parts. Those parts are used to make other electronic products. We should all take part in recycling and try to make changes little by little. Thank you for listening our presentation.
The best product, plastic. Plastic is strong, light, and easy to process. So we use plastic to make many products. Plastic products make our lives easier. However, they can cause great damage to the environment. If we continue to create plastic waste like this, we will face serious problems in the near future.
Our careless actions create plastic pollution. We use more plastic than we need because it is cheap. We use it almost everywhere. For example, plastic bags, straw, food, wallpapers, and even our drink bottle are made of plastic. Next, we use plastic items only once and casually throw them away. Also, we often do not recycle plastic properly. These small things may not seem that serious, but however, plastic does not break down easily. As a result, it continues to pile and create plastic pollution.
The move from sea animals to human bodies. People can get sick and even die. In addition, harmful chemicals from plastic damage the environment. As a result, the earth becomes a difficult place to live. We create the problem, so it's up to solve it.
They move from sea animals to human bodies. People get sick and even die. In addition, harmful chemicals from plastic damage the environment. As a result, the earth becomes a difficult place to live. We create the problem, so it's up to us to solve it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our video.
Reducing plastic pollution is up to us.
plastic is strong, light, and easy to process. So we use plastic to make many products. Plastic products make our lives easier. However, they can cause great damages to the environment. If we continue to create plastic waste like this, we will face serious problems in the near future.
Our careless action creates plastic pollution. We use more plastic than we need. Because it is cheap, we use almost everywhere. For example, plastic bags, straw, food wrapper, and even our drink bottle are made of plastic.
Plastic pollution affects the whole planet. For example, when plastic gets into the sea, it makes sea animals get sick or can kill them. That's because many sea animals mistake plastic for food. Even worse, plastic breaks down into very small particles.
Next, we use many plastic items only once and casually throw them away. Also, we often do not recycling. Small acts may not seem that serious. However, plastic does not break down easily.
Thank you.
Reducing plastic pollution is up to us. Plastic is strong, light, and easy to process, so we use plastic to make many products. Plastic products make our lives easier. However, they can cause great damage to the environment if we continue to create plastic waste like this. We will face serious problems in the near future.
Our careless action creates plastic pollution. We use more plastic than we need. Because it is cheap, we use it almost everywhere. For example, plastic bags, straws, food wrappers, even our plastic bottles are made of plastic. Next, we use many plastic items only once and casually throw them away. Also, we often do not recycle plastic in the paper way. These small acts may not seem that serious. However, plastic does not break down easily. It continues to pile up and create plastic pollution. Plastic pollution affects the whole planet. For example, when plastic gets into the sea, it makes sea animals get sick or can kill them. That's because many sea animals mistake plastic for food.
Even worse, plastic breaks down into very small particles. They move from sea animals and human bodies. Plastic people can get sick and even die.
In addition, harmful chemicals from plastic damage the environment. As a result, the earth becomes a difficult place to live. We created the problems, so it's up to solve it.
Thank
Thank you.